Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash, and today I have some new softwash valves here, metering valves to show you. Got a 3/4, ½ inch. They work great for building up your own mixing system. Let's take a closer look at these and I'll show you what they're all about. All right, we got the 3/4 valve here, if you can see that. And then I got the ½ inch one over here. These are V-grooved. See if I can get a camera angle there, if you guys can see those. With the V-groove, they're going to be a lot more accurate for metering your soft wash mix. And these are true union. So I'm taking the 3/4 one apart right now. So these are going to be a lot easier to work on and service. 3/4 NPT thread. The cool thing about these, they have a Viton seal in them. So they're going to be able to withstand chemical usage. Set that one to the side right there. They do have directional arrows on these, so make sure that they're pointed the right way. And they have a really nice smooth action. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those rainbow valves, the pull chemical ones, the black and white ones. Those ones are not as accurate, and that's going to be more of your budget friendly option. Whereas these ones are just as good as the GFs and some of the other ones that are out there, and you're going to pay significantly a lot less. So these are CPVC, so it's going to be a stronger material. It's kind of like a Schedule 80. And here's the ½ inch one. Got the Viton seal in there. Just a really good option for a soft wash metering valve. Set that aside here. This is just one little mixer here that we build up. This is 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. We have 3/4 going out with some check valves here, and then just some banjo barbs down here. But yeah, great option for building up a soft wash mixer. These are on sale on our website. If you're ordering at the time of the video, there's going to be a special deal where you can get these super cheap, free shipping. If you're watching this video a ways after the publication date, we are still going to keep these discounted, but not quite as discounted as they will be over the next week. Like I said, these are shipping free. If you're looking for something like this, let me know. Be happy to get it out to you.